Hello friends, welcome back once again to our channel Gurukul. Sum number 8, it says Sunita travelled 15 km 268 meter by bus, 7 km 7 meter by car and 500 meter on foot. So we have in order to reach her school. So how far is her school from her residence? So before moving further, we first have to convert this into kilometer to make our problem easy. So that means 15 kilometer and meter. So 1000 meter makes kilometer. So as we have already done in the previous sums, how to convert. So let me proceed. 15.268 kilometer. This is converted into 7.007 kilometer. And last is already in 500 meter. That means that will be written after the decimal. So now this conversion is done. Now let me start with the actual sum. So it says distance covered by bus is 15.268 kilometer. Distance covered by car is 7.007 kilometer and distance covered by foot is 500.500 kilometer. Therefore, total distance travelled is, we have to add them. Twen 22.775 kilometer. So the question they asked is how far is her school from the residence? So the answer is Sunita's school is 22.775 kilometer away from her residence. Now, sum number 9. Rahul brought 4 kgs 90 grams of apple. 4 kg 90 grams of apple, 2 kg 60 grams of grape, 5 kg 300 grams of mangoes. So as already done in the previous problem sums, first we need to convert them into kg. So 4 kg 90 grams will give us 4.090 kg. 2 kg 60 gram will give us 2.060 kg. 5 kg 300 gram will give us 5.300 kg. Now let us proceed with the statement. So it is weight of apples is equal to 4.090 kg. Weight of grapes is equal to 2.060 kg and weight of mangoes is 5.300 kg. Therefore, total weight of fruits is, we need to add them. So the answer will be 11.450 kg. So the question is find the total weight of all the fruits. So the answer, the total weight of all the fruits is 11.450 kg. Sum number 10, it says Rani has rupees 18.50. She bought one ice cream for 11 rupees and 75 paise. How much money does she has now? So the statement will be Rani has rupees 18.50. She bought ice cream for 11.75 rupee. So what is the amount she has? That means we have to subtract. So let us do so. Rani has rupees 6.75 left. Sum number 11. Tina had 20 meter 5 centimeter long cloth. So 20 meter 5 centimeter. And she cut 4 meter 50 centimeter length of cloth from this for making curtain. So how much cloth is left? So no doubt we have to subtract, but before subtracting we need to change them into decimal form. So the amount of material she took out for the curtain was 4 meter 50 centimeter. So now let us transform them or convert them into decimal. So we will get 20.05 meter and here 4.50 meter. Now let us begin with the actual statement. So total material was 20.05 meter. Length cut for curtain is equal to 4.50 meter. That means we have to subtract. Therefore, length left will be meters. Therefore, length left is 15.55 meter. This is the answer. Now sum number 12. Ruby bought a watermelon weighing 5 kg 300 gram, 5 kg 300 gram, out of which she gave 2 kg 680 gram to her neighbor. So what is the weight of the watermelon left with Ruby? So before proceeding further, first we need to convert this into decimal for our easy solving of the problem. So that comes down to 5.300 kg and here it is 2.680 kg. Now we will begin with the statement. So weight of watermelon is 5.300 kg. Amount given is 2.680 kg So here we have to subtract. So let us do so. So amount left is 2.620 kg. Sum number 13. The cost of 1 meter of cloth. 1 meter cost rupees 35.80. So what will be the cost of 9.5 meter? Therefore 8 meter will cost 35.80 into 9.8. So now let us solve. One, two, three. So the answer will be 9.8 meters of cloth will cost rupees 350.840 is the answer. Sum number 14. Farida bought some bags of cement, each weighing 49.8 kg. So, weight of one bag of cement is equal to 49.8 kg. So, if the total weight of all the bags is, so total weight of all the bags is 1792.8 kg. So how many bags were there? So number of bags is equal to, that means we need to divide the weight by the weight of one bag of cement. So let us do so. 1792.8 divided by 49.8. So we need to shift the decimal place. Here to one place, here to one place. So which gives us 1792.8. Sorry, it is 17,928 divided by 498. Now in order to make the digits simpler, we need to first reduce them to its lowest term. 2 will go, 2 will go. Again, this is further reducible by 3. Now here 83 is a prime number, that means we cannot reduce this any further. So now we have to properly divide this by 83. That means total number of bags Farida bought was 36. Thank you. Thank you friends for watching my video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.